Hey guys, what's up? MWorks Detailing. Today's detail, as you guys can tell, it's pretty ugly outside. So with this one, we're just gonna do the interior, a full-on interior shampoo of the seats, of the floor mats, vacuum. Just get this thing back to what it looked like. I recently just got my rug doctor, so we're gonna go ahead and test that bad boy out. I'm not gonna probably film too much of this, just kind of the before and after, and then maybe a little bit of the process. But the car has seen better days, but it's nothing too crazy. You're pretty common car, so it's honestly not that bad. Here's cup holders. So yeah, we're gonna get this thing right. I don't think I'm gonna address the headliner because this vehicle is a little bit older, so it's a little more sensitive. I'm gonna touch up a few spots, but I'm not gonna thoroughly go over a lot of it because it'll start dragging down. He has some stuff in the trunk, but I'm gonna probably take that out and just vacuum it. He didn't really tell me about the trunk, but yeah, I mean, the car looks pretty good. See, he's probably never ever used that. But yeah, I believe this. I don't know what year this is, but it's nice, and I'm ready to use this extractor. I'm gonna set you guys up on the tripod, and we're just gonna go ham on this thing. So yeah, I'll give you guys an update. Okay guys, little update. So I went ahead and I'm doing all the floor mats right now. I made my own little station. So I got my vacuum, my rug doctor, little extractor thing, and then the light. So I did that mat, did the passenger side, and then I just went ahead and just vacuumed this out just to show you guys. It's honestly not that bad. Like, of course the mat covers this part, so my main concern is like up in there, back there a little bit, and then just like the sides usually a little dirty. I'm trying to hit this spot right there. So yeah, we're going pretty good. We're like 30 minutes in. There it is. All the dirt. I'll show you the ones that I did do. So here's the passenger side. Looks a lot better, guys. I'll try to insert something. Here's the back passenger one. Looks really good, guys. So we have to do the driver, and then I'm working on the behind the driver's side. The driver's side is a little scary, but we're gonna get it good. I know we are. So I might put the camera down on the tripod and then just record, I guess, the process of doing this. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and I'm wearing my mom's sandals right now. So don't look at my feet or whatever. So we're gonna go ahead and vacuum this. Then we're gonna put a little awesome on the floor mat. Put a little have soap and water inside the extractor. Spray a little soap and water down. Scrub it by hand. And then go ahead and hit it with the extractor. So we're gonna go ahead and vacuum. And this part I'll probably speed up, so. can see, you know, it looks a lot better. Those stripes, I'm gonna redo the stripes, but I just did those just to show you guys. But it looks great. So as you guys could tell, the like up in here, that's where all the dirt, you know, you can see all the dirt, nasty stuff just get sucked into the extractor, and it goes into this tank, and then you gotta empty out the tank. But so far, this thing has treated me really good. I liked it. I did the steps leading, you know, to upstairs. That looked really good. So first time using this thing in practice, and the results are great. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and do the driver's side, and then when I get into the interior, I'll try to record a little bit of that. It's kind of hard, and it's so ugly outside. I would take this car outside, but it'll get wet, so doing it all in the garage. All right, guys. All right, so we just finished all the mats. Now we're gonna go ahead and hit the door. So we're gonna start from the top and work our way down. What you wanna use on doors? I use a little scrub pad, something like this. I know it looks like, what? Why would you use that? But trust me, you get like, this is from, you know, resting your arm, and all your sweat on your arm, or just opening and closing the door. It's super sticky. It's humid outside, so that's super sticky. But you want to get your spray, which is right here. Spray, don't be afraid. Try not to get this too wet, but you know, don't, make sure there's nothing in here. It's not in here. Guys, closer look. You guys saw it instantly. As soon as you started touching it with the scrubber, it got it really clean. So I like to do all the doors first. You know, I'm slowly making my way into the car. I'm probably gonna do the carpets last because I'm gonna be touching everything. Everything's just gonna be dripping down. So I'm gonna do the doors, do all the seats, you know, slowly work my way around the vehicle. But as you guys can tell, that looks a lot better. Let me show you one, if you guys really didn't see it. So there's the carpets that I did already. Now let me show you the driver's side. I'll probably do that side in a second. As you guys can tell, see, it's like really heavy, caked on, just gunk from years and years ago. I'm pretty sure this thing probably never had a detail before, so you know, this is caked on there. But yeah, I mean, we're gonna get the seats real good, get the door jambs. But I mean, like, I know you guys are like, wow, this is dirty, but it's honestly not that bad. It's just a bunch of grass. And once you vacuum it out, it's gonna look a lot better. And then just touch a few spots. You probably don't have to do the whole interior carpet, but I'm just going to anyway. But you know, you probably don't have to. But the steering wheel, we're gonna get that right. I mean, the instrument cluster, it's gonna look really good. So let me go check on the other side, see how we're looking. I love those carpets, coming out great. Oh yeah, I don't know which design to do. So I asked my Snapchat, so we'll see what they say. So let's check on this. It's still drying a little bit, but look at that, guys. Oh yeah. Only the best of the best. Look at that. Alright. Alright. So guys, this is it. Just finished the vehicle up. Went ahead and put the stripes in the carpet. That looks really good, guys. There's a lot of grime on the steering wheel. As you guys can see, took all of that off. Seats are cleaned, decontaminated. This was just interior, so don't mind the exterior. Yeah, guys. Looks sweet. Super clean. Go ahead and... That's his bag. Cup holder. Super clean. I'm very happy. Alright guys. See you in the next one.